Welcome. I hope you all have excelled in the art of setting priorities. In this module, let me try a bit harder and bring out the true strength that lies within you, and I bet you all are unaware of it. So, today's time management topic is concentration. We all have faced this dilemma of not being able to concentrate. Learning how to concentrate is indeed a vital skill that will boost your speed towards your goal. You can't accomplish anything worthwhile in the life without the ability to concentrate single mindedly on one thing at a time and stay with it until it's complete. Let me share the fact that if one task is revisited again and again, the time it takes to complete rises by almost 500%. The time taken to complete a task is proportional to attempts taken for that task. Once you have made a list of what you have to do, organize your goals. Determine the highest and most valuable priorities. Then start with the most important task and work on task until it's finished. If you are working on the most important things, then it enhances your self esteem and you feel like a winner on completion of the task. What is earned with the hard work is eaten with great pleasure. Gradually, you will be more concentrated if you know you are doing the right thing. On the contrary, if you work on low priority tasks and even if you complete them and do them well, you don't get any bang for the bucks. You don't get that adrenaline rush. All the anxiety, misery, dissatisfaction are outcomes of those inessential work we do that have no significant consequences towards our goals. So, concentrate single mindedly on one task at a time. Do first things first and do things one at a time. To develop this ability, you have to train your mind. Most people believe that concentration is a strenuous and tiring activity, and that it involves exertion and tension, which are difficult and unpleasant. This belief, which usually starts at an early age, is not true. Developing concentration can be fun if approached in the right way. It should be practiced with joy, positive attitude, optimism, and understanding of its great possibilities.